Introducing the new dynamic U1 upright vacuums, formerly the Miele S7 series. Featuring the identical quality you've come to expect from the Miele S7, the European dynamic U1 series includes the same following features.
The S7's cleaning performance is excellent on all types of flooring. On hard floors, a good seal around the floor head makes for effective airflow and good suction performance. Intelligently positioned suction channels ensure excellent cleaning along skirting boards. And on carpeting, the Electro-brush ensures deep cleaning by easing out dirt from the depths of carpet pile. The roller brush is electrically powered, ensuring sufficient performance at all times to penetrate deep pile carpeting. The S7 will not unleash dust and dirt back into the room. A high-performance filtration system in airtight casing guarantees clean room air. Miele has a range of filters to meet individual requirements. Use the Super Air Clean filter for everyday use. Or select the Active Air Clean filter with activated charcoal to neutralize odors. Fitted with an active HEPA filter, the Miele S7 is able to meet the highest of hygiene requirements and is suitable for allergy sufferers. Just how clean the Miele S7 is with a HEPA filter is demonstrated by the emissions test. This particle counter measures particles in the exhaust airstream. A clean bill of health. The Miele S7, of course. Take a breath of fresh air and let Miele take care of your health and your family.